Ever wondered how some YouTube channels skyrocket from zero to hero? Don't worry, I got you. Whether you're just starting out with your first few videos or still figuring out how to navigate the YouTube landscape, I'm here to reveal the 4 golden resources you absolutely need to kickstart your success on YouTube. These helped me, and I really do believe it's going to help you. So buckle up, because this is going to be a game changer for your channel. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Short answer, yes.
Hit it! I'm going to tell you about 4 must-have resources if you're going to create content on YouTube. I'm not getting paid to talk about any of these resources. These are 4 tools that I use every single day as a content creator. And now, number 4, Canva. Now, Canva offers a wide range of customization templates for thumbnails, channel art, and social media graphics that can significantly improve a channel's branding. Additionally, high-quality visuals created with Canva can lead to higher click-through rates, CTR, on thumbnails, which in turn can improve video performance in YouTube's algorithm, leading to more views. More views can increase ad revenue, affiliate marketing opportunities, and brand deals. Furthermore, content creators can use Canva to create and sell digital products such as printable planners, social media templates, or ebooks, which can be promoted on your YouTube channel as an additional revenue stream. Number 3, Social Blue Book. This is a tool for content creators looking to grow and monetize their presence on YouTube. It provides creators with insights into their channel's worth, helping them understand the value of their content and audience. Additionally, Social Blue Book's analytics help creators track their growth and engagement, allowing them to improve their content, strategies for better performance, and audience retention. This direct connection to potential sponsors, combined with the platform's negotiation tools, make it easier for creators to diversify their income streams, whether through sponsor videos, affiliate marketing, or product placements, ultimately leading to increased revenue on YouTube. Number 2, Tubebuddy is a fantastic tool for content creators looking to grow their YouTube channels and increase monetization opportunities. As a browser extension, Tubebuddy offers a bunch of features that simplify the process of managing and optimizing a YouTube channel. Tubebuddy aids creators in maximizing their revenue by providing detailed analytics and insights into channel performance. With features like advanced video SEO and suggested tags, creators can ensure their content reaches a broader audience, leading to more ad impressions and higher earnings. Tubebuddy also offers tools for managing bulk annotations and cards, which can be used to promote other videos or affiliate links, increasing the potential for additional income streams. Number 1, last but not least, we have Grammarly. Now, I know people use it to help them with their papers, but it can help content creators in a big way too, by offering real-time grammar, spelling, and style suggestions. Grammarly ensures that a creator's content is polished and error-free. Whether it's drafting a video script, writing video descriptions, or responding to comments, Grammarly helps creators communicate more effectively and confidently by ensuring that all written aspects of a YouTube channel are professional and polished. Grammarly helps creators present their best selves, which can lead to better business opportunities and increased monetization potential. I hope that you like some of the tools that I suggested. I personally use all of them. also want to say thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try content creating. And if you already are creating content, are you going to use any of these tools? Or wait a minute, are you already using these tools? Let me know. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.